Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Documint login issues in 2026. If you can't sign into your Documint account, keep getting login errors, or the sign-in page isn't working, this guide will walk you through the most effective solutions step by step. First, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable network can interrupt the login process and prevent Documint from loading properly. Next, double-check that you're entering the correct email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset it. Now refresh the login page or restart your web browser, then try signing in again. If the problem continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies before making another attempt. Next, try opening Documint in an incognito window or switch to a different browser. This helps determine whether the issue is caused by browser settings or extensions. If you use Google Sign-In or another supported login method, make sure you're selecting the same sign-in option you used when creating your Documint account. Now temporarily disable any VPN, proxy, firewall, or browser extensions that might interfere with the login process, then try signing in once more. Finally, if you're still unable to access your account, check whether Documint is experiencing a temporary service outage. If everything appears normal, contact Documint support and include the exact error message you're seeing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Documint login issues step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.